Yeah, thank you. 3 people are in the hospital this morning after a boat explosion on Table Rock Lake. According to the Missouri State Highway Patrol, it happened around 3:30 yesterday afternoon at the Big M Marina near Emerald Beach. They say a 41-year-old boat driver tried to start the engine, but gas fumes had built up, causing it to explode. The driver and a 14-year-old were taken to the hospital with moderate injuries. Meanwhile, an 18-year-old is listed as having serious injuries. All 3 were from Monroe, North Carolina. And